Alright, back here on Tim's Cougar, we finally have the right gasket. Hooray! Alright, so I'm going to put the base plate on, get it going back together, start reassembling the car. Alright, got our main body back on the throttle plate, got our gaskets and our jets in our secondary metering block. Got our float back in our bowl.
Yeah, they're called.
Time to put needle and seats in. Alright, got our float in, our needle and seat in. I set our float height. And now I'm going to put our rear bowl on. These are screws for seals. Alright, so there it is. Focus. Focus. Or don't. Alright, so we have our accelerator pump squirter in. Got all that assembled. Got our power valve and our jets back in our metering block. Have our idle mixture screws in. I made sure I set those babies 1.5 turns out for right now. So we're gonna put that on. Got our accelerator pump all back together with the modern style diaphragm. Got our float height set, our needle and seat in, ready to go back together. All right, so all we gotta do is our vacuum secondary diaphragm and our choke.